Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's find the apps, which are right here actually. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see we've got this option reset up preferences. So this is the option obviously we are looking for, and here your device will inform you what kind of things it will reset. So it will reset preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.